at the sun for much time, it can damage camera sensor. Really? Is that true? I didn't know that. It can damage camera sensor if I keep filming. Directly towards the sunlight. I didn't know. 知らなかった。じゃあ移動しよっか。Let's change the place. 知らなかった。It is true. カメラをずっと太陽に向けてるとカメラの、